battery, and we have, there we go. This is the EQE.
To combustion engine. The car battery drives a range 438 kilometers for one charge. And definitely when we talk about electric cars, everybody concerned is how long the battery needs to be charged, how long time it will take. And with all our vehicles, we offer a wall box which will be there at home, and you can charge it overnight. It takes from 5 to 10 hours, depends on the type of the vehicle. So this EQA and EQB, sorry, we're still used to,
I was gonna say, but I let you roll with it. So now you're gonna show us the range of EQ, which is Mercedes' new electric range.
Exactly.
We will talk more about what we all know Mercedes for later, for sure.
Definitely, I mean, to electric vehicles. These cars have been tested at the high temperature, okay, and it's fully dedicated with a battery management system and special cooling technology. So definitely 100% we are delivering the best, the high standard, the premium.